Now, this is quite hot. You know that, don't
Yes,
you? The red crushed pepper. It's quite hot.
willing.
You want a little
Yeah,
splash?
I want a little.
Oh,
right.
just a touch.
Okay.
At 9 in the morning, this may be a little rough.
Yes. Not to mention how rough it is in the morning with wine. We don't recommend it late.
Oh,
but
it's
don't...
nice of you. I just noticed what you served me this morning.
But don't knock it. I mean, let's...
You ought to get Dean on here for 10 days in a row if you use this kind of jazz in the
It's got to be
morning.
a little heavier. Isn't it really?
No, he can handle it in the morning.
little-
Now,
Uh-huh.
cheese is really optional because cheese is usually used on meat sauce, heavier sauces.
Oh,
But if you
really?
prefer it, I'll give you a little
I
bit
like
of
a
it.
little. I'm not hurting your hand, am I?
No.
That's
This is
Romano.
Romano cheese. It's a little
Can you tell
stronger.
just by
Oh,
smelling?
yeah. It's a little stronger than Parmesan. Now, try that. See,
Okay.
I prefer it without the cheese.
Okay.
Nah, I think you're going to like that.
I think I am.
Nah,
Excuse
you
me.
may not be able to do this, though.
I
There
can't,
he
but-
goes.
Mmm. Hey! That's great!
If we had put salt in the water with the noodle, it would have been a smash.
Really? Could we go back and do it over? We didn't put
Just a
salt
two-
in the noodles.
2 tablespoons full of salt solves the whole problem
done-
with a pound of spaghetti.
Well, if you
ladies
have enough
and
wine,
gentlemen.
you'll never notice.
Well, the hot pepper will take care of everything anyway.
I know it. Listen,
Mm-hmm.
we're supposed to be talking about things and show business and how, you know, people don't get a chance to train the way we did. But when I read that WNEW played 91 minutes of your music the other day, and I don't...
KNEW.
Oh,
in San
KNEW.
Francisco.
Oh, I thought it was WNEW. We both sang on WNEW, at least a year and a half ago.
Buona salute.
Buona salute. or
Hurry up,
whatever.
hurry up.
L'chaim, whatever, you know. Whatever turns you on, right? But somebody played 91 minutes of your records.
91 hours.
Hours?
91 hours.
91 hours?
That's 91 hours.
Without repeating themselves?
Not at all. No, I don't know. I didn't hear it, of course, in San Francisco. We don't get that station down here, but I was really thrilled. That's something to do for somebody.
Listen, if they played 91 minutes of I wouldn't have missed a second of it. A breath. That's...
Well, you had to go to San Francisco, but I couldn't get up there.
Oh, that's right. I told you not to talk with your mouth full.
Shut
Okay. And like I was saying, we're in the show business. You might not realize it, but we started a couple of years ago on WNEW.
A couple of years ago.
A couple of years ago on WNEW. And we now have kids who want to be in show business. Your kids are doing very well in it.
Yeah, but they're struggling because it takes time to learn your trade, and unfortunately, as you and I agree, there are very few places where one can go to learn a trade in show business.
That's
There are
right.
no road shows, no dance bands, no kind of vaudeville style, not vaudeville per se, but theater, daily theater. There are schools, but they're far in between really decent schools.
Yeah. Well, you know, when we worked, we did a show on WNEW. We did one at noon, and then we did one at 6 o'clock in the evening with the orchestra, and then we didn't get paid, I don't think, or maybe $2.50.
I got about 35 cents a week for car fare on that program.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to shake you up, but there was one program that was sponsored by a furniture company in Passaic, New Jersey,
Yeah.
that we were on, and they gave me $2.50 with which I bought English muffins.
That's because you were a girl. That's why you
right.
got the money. I didn't
See?
get the money, see?
Yeah. Well, you were working at night. You were singing in the night.
Well, I was working in a salon in New Jersey
That's
at the
right.
time, and
But we had a chance to break in, and we had a chance to make mistakes.
there was an apprenticeship that
Sure.
took place,
Sure.
and then following that, we both went with the dance bands, which is a great
Yeah.
training period.
Well, you went with Dorsey, and I went
Mhm.
with Eddie Cantor. Right from there. So
Eddie
we...
Cantor had a heck of a band, I'll tell you that, boy. Oh, what a band he